weather easing up now, choppers are being used at the spot to help in bringing in some sort of relief aid and also in bringing in personnel on ground. You can see that this chopper has come very, very close to the other side. And these areas were completely inaccessible earlier. Now there's monitoring happening, surveillance happening, and very crucially, you've got material being airdropped also to some of these areas. But as the chopper here gets set to land, there are in fact personnel also being brought in right now using different equipment, using different resources. What I can also show you at this point, and you know, as the weather here, it's non-stop rain at this particular spot. The chopper is getting set to land, but the work on ground continues. I'll just flip over to the other side and show you how in fact the injured are being brought out one after another, which is why bringing in a chopper also greatly helps in airlifting some of the injured. But right now, this is how many of them are being brought out. 48 hours on, there are still senior citizens, men, women, children who are being pulled out right now, stretcher after stretcher. And here's where locals also are playing such an important role in helping lifting that stretcher, walking through all of this slush and ensuring that they get the necessary medical help as well. But the biggest challenge remains, one, the terrain, and second, the weather. For now, it's eased up. There's a constant drizzle, of course, that you can see also, but it's much better when compared to yesterday when there was heavy rain, torrential rain that stopped chopper services from reaching right up to this location. Behind me, you can see the makeshift bridge that's been created. Work is on by the army to create a solid bridge right now, a column through which people can walk up and down. We'll be going to the other side and showing you what's really happened, the extent of damage caused by the landslide in Mundakai. Stay with us here on India Today. With camera person Sachin Chandok, this is Akshata Nandagopal reporting from Wayanad for India Today.